Welcome back, everyone. We are going to discuss social orientation and understanding in terms of how children understand emotions and how they use their surroundings, the people that are around them, their caregivers, siblings, teachers, to further understand emotion. And so the first thing that we're going to discuss is social orientation or behavior. And this is when young infants, they're able to understand interpreting the meaning of facial expressions. And as you can see in these pictures here, that they often use their caregivers so that they're able to understand facial expressions. From a very young age, infants are intrigued by their social environment. And so from their social environment, they're able to pick up on social cues. And so when they see enough times that their caregiver is happy, then that means that they can be happy too. And so they start to mimic that same emotion as they see that their caregiver has. But in this same study that is in this picture here, we look at these pictures down here. The researchers actually told the mom to not change her facial expression, to keep it the same, to keep it stoic as it is, and see how the child responds. And as you can see, the children became upset and angry because they took that as that their mom was upset with them. And so social orientation, we have children that are able to have a better understanding of interpreting the meaning of facial expressions based on the facial expressions that their caregivers exhibit. Next, we have social referencing. And when we talk about social referencing, this is when we have children that are in situations with their caregivers, and what they do is that they read the emotional cues of their caregivers in order to understand how to develop or how to act in a particular situation. So for example, you may have a child and you may have the father, and you have the father, there may be something that new that comes into the environment. The child will look at the father to see how the father is responding in order to understand how they are to respond. So if they see something, if there is something in the environment that comes in and it scares the parents, and the father is frightened, then the child will pick up on that emotional cue from the parents and will also exhibit those same types of fearful emotions, fearful expressions, because they are referencing their parents to understand how to act in that situation. Okay, I'm going to see you all on the next video.